Hey guys, today I will be reading Aunt Jennifer's Tigers by Adrienne Rich. It is found on page 703 of our book. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across the screen, bright topaz denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the man beneath the tree. They pace in sleek silveric certainty. Aunt Jennifer's tigers, fluttering through her wool, find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. When Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. So, first thing I want to go over is some of the physical aspects. So, the rhyme scheme is A A B B C C D D E E F F. Something that I noticed was there's a slant rhyme with the tree and certainty, because the E's at the end make it a slant rhyme and end up working with the poem. So there are 3 stanzas with 4 sentences in each one, and they're all pretty even with the amount of sentences and everything and the length of them. And there is some alliteration that I found in about each stanza. You have this chivalric certainty, finger fluttering, and the prancing and proud, where they both have like the same first letters with the C and C, and then F and P. Next, I want to talk about and analyze the poem. So, what I took out of this poem is it's talking about this woman who can't escape her marriage, and feels like she's being weighed down by her marriage. But she uses her canvases of these tigers to escape the world of reality with her husband. So she paints these pictures of these tigers who are happy, and I think that it's kind of her dream that she wants to be happy in life, so she uses these tigers to escape into that dream, when in reality her life is very hard and she feels weighed down by her marriage. And when this was written, which was in 1951, divorce wasn't very accepted. It wasn't a very big known thing, so she felt like she had to stay in her marriage with this man. Something else that I noticed with this last stanza is when she's talking about that, saying that when Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. Saying that even when she's dead, she can't find an escape, and she will always be stuck with this uncle. But using these paintings will help her escape in a way that even death can't help her escape, and will give her a hint of freedom. And the last sentence will go on prancing, proud and unafraid, talking about the tigers. It almost represents what she wishes she could be, because she is a little bit more scared character, in my opinion. She doesn't seem to be as confident as these tigers that she has painted. So it's showing like a side of her that she wishes she was and she could be against her husband. And going off the fact that she was portrayed as weak, since she was not like these tigers, it also talks about her fingers fluttering through her wool, find even the ivory needle hard to pull. And so that kind of shows where she is a little bit weaker. because she finds it harder to pull the needle through. Next, I will talk about some themes that I have found when looking at this poem. One theme that I have found is that the poem argues the fact that during this time, women were oppressed to their marriage, where the man was the leader of the family, so you had to follow what the husband said. And divorce was not looked upon very well during this time, so it was a very bad thing. Another one I found was talking about like that the poem also argues that Aunt Jennifer finds an escape through her paintings that even death could not grant her. So is it like a hint of freedom through her work of art? Thank you so much.